Hello everyone, I'm Shashank. Today we are going to talk about the flashback and flashforward, and we will discuss the reasons behind the uses of these techniques. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe and tap on the bell icon to get all notification about the film editing techniques. So, what is flashback and flashforward? A flashback or flashforward is an interruption shot between the scenes that takes you forward or backward in time, and also takes the narrative back or forward in time from the current point of story. Imagination is another phenomena that falls under the same category, and imagination is achieved in the same way as flashback or flashforward. Most of the people often get confused between imagination and flashforward. Is there any difference between them? Let me tell you. Technically, the only difference between them is that flashforward is a defined scene which is bound to happen, whereas imagination is like forecasting or an illusion, or it can be prediction which may or may not happen. Is it confusing? No problem. It's fine because imagination or flashforward are just a word that helps you in telling your story clearly. You can write imagination or flashforward as per your convenience. There is no any rule of thumb in that. How to write flashback or flashforward on script? Let's understand it. Just type flashback or flashforward or imagination in caps, then press the enter key on your keyboard and start writing normally as a proper header as you are entering into the different space and time, and once you are done, then type stop, flashback, flashforward or imagination, whatever you are trying to write. But now the question is how to achieve it on editing table. For representing flashback, flashforward or imagination, we need an appropriate transition. It can be anything: simple dip to black, dissolve, dip to white, flash, or just straight cut. Little change in the colors, hue, saturation or luminance can establish that you are entering into a different time zone or a different location or a different space. Now it's time to watch some good use of this tool in cinema.
काम है, रोज का काम होता है, देखता हूँ कई बार, निकाला जाता हूँ कई बार, करता नहीं हूँ, हो जाता है अपने आप ध्यान जाता है वहाँ पे। मैं कहता हूँ नहीं करना विजेंद्र, अपने आप से बात करता हूँ, लेकिन देख के अच्छा लगता है। सब कुछ भूल जाता हूँ, कुछ दिखाई नहीं देता, कौन क्या बोल रहा है, कहाँ बुला रहा है, कुछ नहीं, सिर्फ देखना अच्छा लगता है।
I hope you have learned something good and useful today. So like and share this video. If you have any doubt, then comment below. I will definitely try to reply you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel as we are coming up with 25 tutorials on film editing. If you have missed out the previous videos of this series, then check now in the description. Till then, bye bye.